the speed limit. This currently headed to Walmart. I'm gonna pick up an SD card real quick. Just make it to Target. We're gonna try to find a dope spot and then hang around, do a little shopping, try to park away from everybody. Got exactly what I came for. Mine's not too crazy. Let's go check on the baby. Let me speed this up so he goes. I left my Type on the parking lot and look loud. So sadly, someone backed up into my car, messed up the front door. Actually, I'm damaged actually the front grill. So the sucky part about it is they backed into it, cracked the Honda emblem. Didn't really damage the grill, besides, you know, just regular wear and tear. But this whole thing would have to be replaced. On the logo, this. Like I said, I'm so happy they didn't damage the bumper, but damn. All for an SD card. I love what I come back to. So we're gonna see how much this thing costs. So let's go see what's in this bad boy. Got something here. Came in some really dope packaging. Okay, let's take it off. Got like a carbon fiber. Looks kind of cool though. I have two guides. Spares. Cool. Get a free accessory. It's pretty cool. Might do that later. Comes with this cover so it doesn't get scratched. And this is the bad boy right here. Basically what you do is power it on. There we go. Second time is the charm. And then here you can kind of see everything. And then once you see the cameras in the back, right here, you just kind of like mount it towards your cover. So that's pretty dope. Set this aside. This is what surprised me. Come with a rear view camera. I'm actually surprised. For this price, you get all of this. That's pretty amazing. And then it comes with a lighter. So I'll probably head up the site for the accessories. See if I get the adapter to maybe plug it to the actual car to make everything easier. But I can't wait to install this thing. Should be pretty easy. Should be pretty simple. So can't wait. This will definitely solve the issue that I had before. Someone backing up into my car and not knowing who it is. So can't wait. So I'll see you guys soon. Alright, cool. So what we set up was simple, right? So basically what we have is this this rear view mirror. And like what I showed you in the box before, it actually came with a camera on the other side, right? So let me grab the box real quick. So the box also comes with this bad boy, which I think is super worth it. Sorry I didn't hook it up yet. I'm actually gonna set it up another time. So when you guys get the gist of it, it comes with a camera right here. So what you do is actually you take this camera and you bend it over a little bit. And there's actually a part right here. Then you can plug this guy in. Just turn it on. And if there's not enough power, we could actually, yep, perfect, it just came on. And if there's not enough power, you can actually turn the power on here. I know it seems like a lot of wires, but I mean, once I get someone that's more mechanically inclined to set it up, it'll be a lot more stable. Sorry about the mess. Yeah, so the lens is actually right here. So a little bit upside down. So yeah, so it's pretty dope, right? So let's unlock it and let's hit record. So yeah, so currently right now it's recording me, right? And if you think about it, this is actually pretty sick. So it's recording what's right here, and it's also recording a little rear view, which is a little camera right here. So if I want, I could set this in the back, like a rear view camera. Because the good thing about the Type R, which I have, is once you put in reverse, it already has a rear view camera, so I don't necessarily need one. And it also has a battery itself. So once you charge it frequently and things like that, and also goes to sleep mode, it's pretty also good for bang for a buck. So if I would have had this and someone backed into my car, I would have probably caught their license plate or something and figured out exactly who it was. But this thing is phenomenal. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Like, this is an awesome bang for your buck. You can also turn on the volume. Oops, sorry. Turn on the volume, turn off the volume, and the quality is in 1080p. There's also one that actually shoots in 2K, but for 60 bucks, I don't think you go wrong with this. So yeah.